Hi, welcome to Everhot. I'm Graham, and in this film we're going to show you how to use the grill on your Everhot cooker. Now, every Everhot cooker's got a grill in the top oven. Some will have two grills depending on the model, but the operation's the same on every cooker. So we've got the grill control down here. The short push on the button only brings up the length of time that the grill will be on for. Factory set, that's 15 minutes, and you can adjust that using the up or down arrows up to a maximum of 30 minutes. So essentially you can never put the grill on, forget to turn it off. It will always time out. To turn the grill on, you simply push and hold the grill button for 3 seconds. You'll now see the red lights come on, all the other zones have now dropped out, and you'll see it's timed for 15 minutes. You can adjust the time again within this setting, so you can reduce or increase the time using the up or down arrows. Now you can either let the grill just time out when you're finished cooking, or you'd simply turn it off by pushing and holding the grill for 3 seconds.